Okay, we should be right to go. So I'll declare the meeting open at 7:05. We have the financial documents from BizSys Accounting. Would you read those out?
Yeah, I'll read them off to record. This is from BizSys Accounting Services. To the members of the Australian Miniature Aerosport Society Incorporated, report on the financial report. We have audited the accompanying financial report, being a special purpose financial report of the Australian Miniature Aerosport Society Inc., which comprises the balance sheet as of the 30th of June 2013, and the income statement, statement of changes in equity, statement of recognised income, and expenses for the year then ended, a summary of significant accounting policies, other explanatory notes, and the committee. The responsibility committee members named above the financial report. The committee of the entity are responsible for the preparation and fair presentation of the financial report, and that they have determined that the accounting policies described in Note 1 to the financial statements, which form part of the financial report, are appropriate to meet the financial reporting requirements of the Constitution and are appropriate to meet the needs of the members. The committee's responsibility also includes establishing and maintaining internal control relevant to the preparation and fair presentation of the financial report that is free from material misstatement, whether due to fraud or error, selecting and applying appropriate accounting policies, and making accounting estimates that are reasonable in the circumstances. The auditor's responsibility. Our responsibility is to express an opinion on the financial report based on our audit. No opinion is expressed as to whether the accounting policies used as described in Note 1 are appropriate to meet the needs of members. We conducted our audit in accordance with the Australian auditing standards. These auditing standards require that we comply with relevant ethical requirements relating to audit engagements and plan and perform the audit to obtain reasonable assurance whether the financial report is free from material misstatement. An audit involves performing procedures to obtain audit evidence and the amounts of disclosures in the financial report. The procedures selected depend on the auditor's judgment, including the assessment of the risks of material misstatement of the financial report, whether due to fraud or error. In making those risk assessments, the auditor considers internal control relevant to the entity's preparation and fair presentation of the financial report in order to design audit procedures that are appropriate in the circumstances, but not for the purpose of expressing an opinion on the effectiveness of the entity's internal control. An audit also includes evaluating the appropriateness of accounting policies used and the reasonableness of accounting estimates made by the committee, as well as evaluating the overall presentation of the financial report. The financial report has been prepared for distribution to members for the purpose of fulfilling the committee's financial reporting responsibilities under the Constitution. We disclaim any assumption of responsibility for any reliance on this report or on a financial report to which it relates to any person other than the members or for any purpose other than that for which it was prepared. We believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis for our audit opinion. The auditor's opinion and qualification. While I have no reason to believe otherwise, I'm unable to certify that receipts have been issued for all monies received by the entity, obviously. However, all monies recorded in the books of account have been duly banked to the credit of the club, that is, the society, and accordingly, my audit in relation to these items was limited to the amounts recorded. In my opinion, and noting the qualification above, the financial report presents fairly in accordance with the accounting policies described in Note 1 to the financial statements and financial position of the Australian Miniature Aerosport Society Incorporated as of the 30th of June 2013, the results of its operations for the year then ended, and assigned Stephen Turner, Certified Practicing Accountant, dated the 31st day of July 2013. Now, I'll go through the financial report themselves, the income and expenditure report, and these are free for you guys to look at tonight, and they will also be sent, they haven't already been sent out to our members. Income and expenditure for the year 30th of June 2013, income from membership, $14,011, interest, $1, total, $14,012. Expenditure, auditing, $125, bank fee is $10, member cards and printer, right, $1,033, PayPal fees $135, and insurance, which is a biggie, $11,509. now left a surplus of income over expenditure of $1,200. Looking at the balance sheet, as at 30th of June 2013, our current assets, cash at bank, which is the Heritage Bank, $3,064. Equity, member funds, accumulated member funds from 1st of July 2012, $1,864. Current year surplus, $1,200, which is that. And accumulated member funds as of the 30th of June 2013, in other words, what we had in the bank, $3,064. Okay, so that's the financial report. Now, normally, I will move a motion that the financial report be adopted. However, we can't vote on that. And what we have to do is actually put that to members, and we will by way of email, and get a yay or nay from them in relation to the accepting of that. But that's fundamentally the financial report. So I will move a motion now that the financial report be, as read, be accepted, and that will be sent out to members who will have a copy of that as well. So that's the financial report and the accounting, the auditors.
So I'm going to declare the positions vacant for President, Secretary, Treasurer, and appointment of an auditor for next financial year.
That's the next bit.
The President for this year will be Ian McGregor. Secretary is Mike Snavatis. Treasurer, Peter Coles. Vice President, John Taylor. Sorry.
And those appointments were by virtue of the nominations received through the election process adopted by AMAS a month ago, in accordance with the change of the Constitution. There were no other nominees for the positions put forward, so according to the Constitution, those persons have been appointed to positions. So I'd like to congratulate Ian, Michael, and Peter. And all right.
Appointment of auditor for next financial year.
Yep.
We will appoint BISIS.
No
objections.
If there, we will again we will put a motion forward that BISIS be appointed to the auditors again for next financial year. And again, that motion will go out for a yay or nay to members, and we'll report on the result of that motion at the next meeting. So,
We'll now close the meeting.
that is the purpose of the annual general meeting. We will now close that meeting at
7:13 p.m.
7:13 p.m. and we will now we'll recommence in a couple of minutes for our general meeting.
Thank you.